marching in the parade. Barrel, banana, or clothes.
Okay, here you go. Use the fingers and put it in.
Let's try clothes. Which word is clothes?
You have to use your fingers.
That one! Where? Let's that clothes.
Use your fingers.
Oh, she got one in.
Here you go.
Ready, set.
Use the fingers.
Let's read. The emperor marches in the parade in his
job.
clothes.
Let go of it now. There you go.
I'm dressed. I'm wearing clothes. I don't feel embarrassed anymore.
Good job.
Super job, super
Baby
readers.
girl.
We changed the story, and now the emperor is
You.
wearing
Good
clothes.
job. Put it
You
in.
look great. Very fashionable.
Yay!
The parade is starting. Come on.
Yay!
Hello, my people. See my clothes.
But Emperor, what about the lovely clothes I made for you?
Taylor,
See what she's doing?
I don't want to wear your
Put
clothes
coins in the slot.
because your
Tiny slot.
clothes are
Show grandma.
invisible. And everyone
Here you go.
can
Put this
see
in.
my
Put it in.
Okay.
Show Grandma with the quarter in.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Careful. I don't want it to drop on your feet.
I'm wearing
Put this in.
Show grandma.
not invisible clothes in the parade.
Pick it up.
You have to put it in with your fingers. Put it in with the fingers.
Speaking up to that, Taylor.
There you go.
Yay!
I think she gets that a little bit because she knows the mailbox.
Thank you.
You found the
Good girl.
Thank you.